In this video, we'll show you how to properly cut the airline and how to install it on any Polyair In-Coil or Bellows style airbag kit. This process applies to both the soft and hard airlines supplied with our kits. The goal is to achieve a clean, square cut to ensure a perfect seal and prevent air leaks. We recommend using a hose cutter, available from your Polyair dealer, or a sharp, straight blade. Avoid using flimsy scissors or any tool that may create a rough or uneven cut, as shown here. With the right tool, achieving a clean, square cut is quick and easy. Installing the airline, In-Coil 30 and 60 PSI kits. Start by removing the cap from the barb fitting. Using a pair of pliers, open the hose clamp and slide it onto the airline, positioning it about 2 to 3 inches from the end. Next, push the airline fully over the barb fitting. Once in place, slide the hose clamp forward to secure the airline, as shown here. You'll repeat the same process on the opposite end of the airline when installing the Schrader valve. Installing the airline, Bellows kits. Every Bellows kit includes a yellow warning sticker explaining the correct installation of the airline elbow. These fittings use an NPT fitting, which are a tapered thread, and it is critical that you do not over-tighten them. Your kit includes 2 bellows and 2 elbow fittings. To install the elbow, you'll need a 13mm or 1/2-inch spanner or an adjustable wrench. With the bellow in hand, start by threading the elbow fitting in by hand until it seats. Then tighten it 1 full rotation, followed by an additional 1/2 turn, no more. A maximum of 1.5 turns past hand tight with a spanner is all that is required. Do not add thread tape, as this may cause damage and void your warranty. A correctly tightened fitting will look like this, with approximately 5mm of thread still visible. To attach the airline, simply push it straight into the elbow fitting. You'll feel a soft click when it is fully and correctly inserted. If you ever need to disconnect the airline, first ensure the bellow is completely depressurized. Then, push the airline inward, depress the collar on the fitting, and pull the airline out. If you have any questions about installing your Polyair kit, our experts are here to help. Contact us by phone or email, details of which can be found at polyair.com.au.